Hi everybody, it's Ms Shanna from Children's Lighthouse. Today we're going to make a Play-Dough Snowman. The Play-Doh that you can make from home with stuff that you probably already have in your kitchen. You just have to ask Mom and Dad to help you, okay? So I'm going to tell you the stuff that you're going to need to make your Play-Doh Snowman, and then we're going to make one together. So I already made one a little while ago, and he's been sitting out for a little bit. His little decorations are starting to fall off. But this is what it's going to look like. Yours will probably look a lot better than mine, but we're going to give it a shot. So the first thing that you're going to need, and if you need the supplies, it's going to be, you can print it out or you can ask us to send it to you because we have it for you. Let me tell you what you need. We first need a 1 1/3 cup of flour, okay? You're also going to need some vegetable oil. You're going to need some salt. You're going to need some cream of tartar. And you're gonna need some water. I just took out a bottle of water. You can use water from your sink. So let's put the flour in first. So we need 1 3/4 cup of flour. Sometimes it gets a little messy, so I also have a little towel just in case we need to wipe some stuff up. So let's measure out 1 3/4 cup. All right, so everybody measuring out their 1 3/4 cup of flour? Okay, perfect. You're gonna put that in your bowl. Whoop. Okay. Now we're gonna need, grab your 1 cup measuring cup, because you're gonna need a cup of water. Whoop. 1 cup of water, in we go. We're also going to need a 1/3 cup of salt. That's a lot of salt. But it's going in here. So here we go. Let's fill that up. 1/3 cup of salt. All right. Full to the top. There we go. Let's put that in there. This is Noli. She's my dog. We need 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can also use olive oil if you don't have any vegetable oil, but either one is good. So let's do 1 of those. In the bowl that you're using, make sure you'll be able to put it in the microwave because you're gonna need to put it in the microwave to get the Play-Doh effect. So let's do that. 2 tablespoons of oil. Boing. Okay. Now we're also going to need 1 1/2 tablespoons cream of tartar. So we got 1 tablespoon. Okay. I think this is what kind of makes it stick together. That's 1. And then you're going to need 1/2 tablespoon. So it's going to be a little bit smaller than that big one. Remember, make sure you ask Mom and Dad to help you. And don't eat any of it. It's not like cookie batter where you can kind of take maybe a little lick while you're mixing it up. You don't want to do that with this. Okay? Woo. All right. Now, the fun part. We get to mix it together. When I was younger, my grandma used to tell me, clean up as you go. So I'm going to put some of these things back really quick. That way they're out of the way and we're ready to start mixing. Okay, in the sink. Now, let's get out that mixing spoon and we're going to mix this together. So see, it should start getting a little bit thick as you start mixing it. Make sure you mix it. You can't eat this, Noli. You're gonna see it's gonna start to get kind of like that Play-Doh feeling kind of thick, might get a little bit hard to stir, so ask mom and dad to help you to stir if it gets too difficult. Now you can add food coloring to it if you want it to be a colored Play-Doh. You can totally do that. You can have a blue snowman, a red snowman, whatever you would like. You can also add little extracts to make them smell, like vanilla or almond or strawberry if you want your snowman to smell maybe like blueberries. I'm not adding anything, I'm just gonna make it just this way, but you might want to be a little bit more adventurous and do it your way. Okay, so now it's mixed together. I'll show you. See? Like a Play-Doh consistency. And now our directions tell us we're gonna put it in the microwave. Not with the spoon, make sure you take that spoon out, all right? So we're gonna put this spoon down here on our handy dandy towel, beep, and we're gonna put it in the microwave. And what it tells us is that you're gonna put it in there for 1 minute, and then you're gonna stir it, and then you're gonna take it out, and then, well, you already took it out because you were stirring it. You're gonna put it back in the microwave, and then you're gonna keep putting it for about 30 seconds. Put it in the microwave, 30 seconds, take it out, stir it. You're gonna do that about 3 more times. The first time I did this little snowman Play-Doh, I did 3 times for 30 seconds, and then it came to a really good consistency where you can kind of shape it, and it'll stick together and it won't be falling apart. So we're gonna try that, okay? Microwave, 1 minute. I hope you guys really like it. I got these little fun decoration things. I got little straws for his arms. You can use paper straws. You can use little sticks if you want. And then I got buttons and sequins and all these really cool things that were given to me to use. So you can use whatever you want. You can use maybe sprinkles, maybe glitter. Whatever you would like to do to make your snowman special is up to you. I'm gonna put my stuff right back in here. Okay. Let's check on that Play-Doh. Now be careful when you're taking it out of the microwave. It can be warm, so let mom and dad help you with that. Don't do that on your own. You can kind of start to mix it a little bit, and you'll see some of it's going to start to get a little, kind of like a little bit hard and change color a little bit, get a little bit darker, and that's what you want. That's what you want. Let's mix that up a little bit, not too much. Okay. Now we're going to put it back in the microwave for our first 30 seconds, okay? Let's do that. Okay. And then once that starts to get ready, I'm gonna take out another plate. That way you can put your snowman on a plate. You can make it if you have a special Christmas plate or maybe a little plastic Christmas platter. You can put that on there too. Let's give that a mix. Okay, so now it's a little bit harder, a little bit better to mix with, so it'll stick together and your snowman isn't melting. Okay. Now make sure you ask mom and dad to help you first, because I don't want your hands to get burnt, okay? You gotta touch it a little bit. It's warm, but it's not hot to me, but I wanna make sure that you stay safe and check with mom and dad before you touch it to make your snowman. So we can take it, you can roll it into a ball, you can make a square snowman if you want, whatever shape that you want to do. I think this would be good for you. Maybe a little bit more for the bottom. Let's try it. See? Staying together. This is the bottom. Let's move our spoon. Okay, here's that. Let's make the medium part of his body. Get it rolled up. It's got to be a little bit smaller. Okay, let's do that. Give it a little push. Sometimes if you push it down, it will stay a little bit better. Okay. I'm gonna do his head, you know, not too big. Okay, roll it around. See, and it's really not sticking to my hands, really. That's what you want. If it's getting too sticky and sticking to your hands, you might need to microwave it a little bit longer. Perfect. And here we go. Help it stay. Here's that. Okay. There's the snowman. Now's the fun part. You can decorate it. I tried to put a hat on my other snowman. I think I will try the same with this one. This button looks like a perfect hat. And so I'm gonna put this here and then move this out of the way just in case. Let me get these cool little sequins. Oh, because they fall. That's all right. I'm gonna do this button here. I'm gonna do, how about the green one for the middle? And I will do a gold sequence. Kind of Christmassy colors, and they will fall sometimes. That's okay. You can get it right back and give it a push on there. They will stay. Stay. Okay. Now we want some eyes. I'm going to try googly eyes this time, but you can put whatever kind of eyes you want. There's his eyes. Then we're going to put a little mouth. Oh, we have to put his arms in there. You can do it like this, or like this, however you want to do it. Let's try and make a little mouth. I'm going to use the sequence to make a mouth. Usually, if you make a snowman, you see a lot of the times they have a carrot for a nose, and two eyes made out of coal. And coal's usually black, like little black rocks. But I'm gonna make my snowman a little sparkly. Oh goodness. I think this one's a little too big. The little ones kind of help. A little bit better. Perfect. Or not. You just keep falling. Come here. Smile. Jeez. And let's put our stuff back in here. Or you can make it a little colorful and festive around your plate. I give him a little nose. I'm going to use one of these little, teeny, tiny sequins for his nose. Come here, little guy. And there we have it, a homemade Play-Doh snowman. I hope you guys had fun. I really enjoyed making it. I had fun the first time, and now he's got a friend to hang out with, so that's fun. They can just hang out together. Remember your ingredients: flour, vegetable oil or olive oil, salt, cream of tartar, and water. And you're gonna need a microwave, so don't forget. Make sure Mom and Dad help you, and I hope you have a really, really wonderful Merry Christmas and a great Saturday. Thank you for watching.